Welcome to the Let's Talk Texas Solar podcast series. I'm Sarah, your podcast host. Join us as we explore the growth of Texas solar, the latest tech in solar panels, and how Texans can stay ahead with the best solar buyback plans. Pour yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and enjoy listening to our latest blog post and podcast episode. In this episode, let's talk about Blackout Blues, your guide to reporting power outages in the Lone Star State. How to report a power outage in Texas, a step-by-step guide. Power outages happen, y'all, and while Texans are known for being tough as nails, a sudden blackout can leave anyone feeling a bit powerless. Whether it's stormy weather rolling in, a curious critter causing mischief, or just plain old maintenance, knowing how to report a power outage effectively can help get the lights back on faster. Let's walk you through how to handle it like a pro and make sure your family stays safe and sound. Common causes of power outages in Texas. Before diving into the steps, let's talk about why outages happen. Here are the main culprits: severe weather, thunderstorms, high winds, or icy conditions knocking down power lines. Accidents, a car hitting a utility pole or construction mishaps. Animals, believe it or not, squirrels and birds are known to tamper with electrical systems. Scheduled maintenance, utility companies may shut off power temporarily to improve infrastructure. How to report a power outage. When the lights go out, don't sit there wondering, act fast. Here's what you need to do. 1. Contact your utility company. You can report outages via online tools. Most providers have an online report an outage tool. Hotline numbers. Keep your utility company's phone number handy. For emergencies like downed power lines, always call 911 first. Then notify your utility company. 2. Provide key information. When reporting an outage, make sure to give your service address. Be specific. Details on hazards, downed wires, or sparking transformers need urgent attention. Using modern outage tools and resources. Thanks to tech, you don't have to sit in the dark guessing what's going on. Here are some tools you can use: outage status and maps. Most utility providers offer outage maps where you can check real-time status updates, view affected areas, and estimated restoration times. Outage alerts. Sign up for email or text alerts to get updates on restoration timelines. Important safety information. Understanding restoration priorities. Utilities repair the most critical issues first, like hospitals and emergency services, followed by neighborhoods. Stay patient, they'll get to you. Staying safe during a power outage. Safety first, y'all. Here are some quick tips. Avoid downed power lines, they're live and dangerous. Stay clear. Use flashlights, skip the candles to prevent fire hazards. Unplug electronics, protect your devices from power surges when the electricity comes back. Tips for effective reporting. Want to speed up the restoration process? Follow these. Report all issues, even intermittent outages need attention. Double-check your circuit breaker, sometimes the issue is internal. Communicate clearly, be specific and polite when talking to customer service reps. Table, utility contact information for major Texas providers. Utility company. Website/outage tool. Hotline number. Encore Electric. Encore outage map. 1-888-313-4747. Centerpoint Energy. Centerpoint Energy. 1-800-332-7143. AEP Texas. AEP Texas outage map. 1-866-223-8508. Texas New Mexico Power. TNMP Power Outages. 1-888-866-7456. Lubbock Power and Light. LP&L's outage map. 1-806-775-2588. Why choose Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans? At Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans, we're all about keeping Texans informed and saving y'all money. While we can't control Mother Nature, we can help you maximize the value of your solar energy systems during outages. With over 20 years of experience and partnerships like PowerMax Energy, we've got the know-how to navigate the complexities of Texas energy. If you're ready to take control of your energy savings, visit us at www.texasbestsolarbuybackplans.com or give us a holler at 972-793-8341. Let's make sure your solar setup keeps working for you, rain or shine. Big thanks to y'all for tuning in. Let's Talk Texas Solar was brought to you by PowerMax Energy, providing a powerful way to maximize your energy savings in the Texas deregulated electricity market. Join PowerMax Energy for the most competitive residential and commercial pricing. www.powermaxenergy.com and Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans for your solar buyback plan needs at www.texasbestsolarplans.com. Show notes and resources. Have questions for the show? Call 972-793-8341 weekdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or visit us online. If you are looking to install a solar system for your home, call or visit us online. Are you on track with your solar plan? Get a free personalized evaluation. www.texasbestsolarbuybackplans.com. Happy trails, y'all, and keep soaking up that Texas sunshine.